Sometimes life breaks you in ways you never imagined. But what if I told you your worst setback could be the beginning of your greatest comeback? Aarav had it all. A successful business, a happy family, and a future that looked unshakable. But then everything collapsed. A single bad deal wiped out his savings. Debts piled up. Business partners walked away. And the stress at home. It broke his marriage too. One day, Aarav found himself sitting in an empty apartment. No money, no family, no hope. He thought his life was over. Weeks passed in silence. Nights were sleepless, days felt endless. He hid from his friends because he couldn't face their questions. But then, something small happened. One morning, Aarav watched the sun rise. And for the first time in months, he smiled. He said, "If the sun can rise again every single day," he thought, "why can't I?" That thought changed everything. He started small. Waking up early. Cleaning his room. Making a simple to-do list. Then he began reading books on resilience. Listening to motivational talks. Feeding his mind with hope instead of fear. He got a part-time job. It wasn't glamorous, but it gave him stability. Day by day, step by step, Aarav rebuilt his confidence. And when he was ready, he started a new business. Smaller, smarter, and stronger. It took years of patience and consistency. But Aarav made a full comeback. Today, he is financially stable, emotionally stronger. And he says losing everything was the best thing that ever happened to him. Because it forced him to discover his real strength. And that's the truth, my friend. Your setbacks are not the end of your story. They are the part that makes you stronger. So if you are going through a storm right now, remember this. The sunrise is coming. And your comeback can be stronger than your setback. Thanks for watching till end.